Good morning, traders. This is Perry Willier with StartupTrading.com. It is 3 till 9 a.m. on Friday, July 30th, the last day of the month. I'm running a little bit late, so I'll make this quick. Basically, it's going to be a push and a pull between end of the month window dressing and Amazon. Right, a little bit of drag on the market. If you can see, a little bit hard to read probably. Right around 33.50 is where we're at right now. So that would be right around here. Let's do it this way. Right around here on the chart, and these are daily candles that I'm looking at. Basically, there's some pretty solid support between 3,300 and 3,000 for Amazon, and it really starts getting very supportive below the point of this high volume node from basically 3187 all the way down to probably 3080 is going to be a slow churn area if Amazon even gets down there in the near future. But this is going to be a key level, this 3300 to 3000, over the next reporting period, more than likely. And go figure that when everyone was stuck at home, the government was sending everyone money, that things aren't going to get much better for Amazon going forward after that, right? They're going to have a hard time continuing to grow. No one's mentioning peak saturation for Amazon sales, but they're going to have a hard time growing in double digits going forward from this print on. So there's going to be a little bit of a revaluation, and that'll probably take 14, 15 months to shake out. To be honest with you, we might see some incremental higher highs between now and in the next year and a half, and that. But basically, Amazon is going to turn into a laggard, in my opinion. So we'll see what happens with that. Looking at the overnight action, around 30 points for the ES, 29 and a quarter. We had some large single underwater trades go off last night. So looking at 43.94 is the bottom of that area. That getting back into that up to 4,002.5 basically is going to be a little bit of difficult trading for the ES more than likely, and it's going to have that Amazon drag as well. So what's going to happen is when Amazon opens up this morning after the bell, right? It's already in pre-market trading since 4 a.m. Its implied volatility is going to be a little bit hot. So some larger institutions are going to use that opportunity to sell, not buy, but sell puts $50 to $150 below the current price of that Amazon opens up this morning. And as long as that Amazon VIX stays juicy, right, they're going to continue to sell that premium because they don't mind buying Amazon basically $200 lower from wherever it opens up this morning and getting paid to do so. And it'll adjust their cost basis. That's going to put a floor under Amazon when that happens. And then as that happens, that should also put a floor in the EES and the NASDAQ. So once that happens, it's potential that Amazon kind of stabilizes and we get a trending day up for the rest of the market because the rest of the market's doing pretty good, to be honest with you. So that is one scenario I'm watching for. Remember, we are opening up near the floor of where the floor trader pivot levels are. So basically, under this S4B for the NASDAQ, right, you could get some acceleration if you don't stop right around that area. And I just deleted my drawing. So, but basically, right around 14,700 will be the next floor under that, and getting through that would be more meaningful. So, looking at all the indexes, I expect the Dow and the Russell to have a little bit of outperformance today. And if the Russell can stay above, and I'll click the right button this time, if it can stay above this range as I was looking for it, this is going to be a little bit more key today. I think this is a tradable range, this overnight low, right? Trading against that, getting back underneath that overnight low, right, could lead you another 15 to 30 points down for the Russell. Holding this area after the market opens, right, with a quick test and back up below, just repairs this trending day up from behind. So I'm not going to participate in it more than likely today for the rest. I'll probably focus my energy more on the other three because I think there's going to be some whipsaw opportunity today. But if the Russell can hold these levels going into next week, that's going to make it look a little bit more attractive to me to start trading that index again. I hope this helps. I'll be watching the overnight value areas, and we'll see where they go. I'll probably even share them in the trade room today. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.